Hey diesel fans, this is DB, and this is my 3rd gen swap kit story. I was towing my boat up to the lake with my 2017 6.7 3500 when my stock turbo first stuck. It sucked. Less than 65,000 miles on this girl. I took the truck down to the dealer. They told me it was the actuator and they wanted $2,800 for it. It's not part of the powertrain warranty. On my stock 6.7 with a stock hole set VGT turbo, I loved the exhaust brake. But who wouldn't? But I always felt I needed more. I wanted more out of the truck. I wanted more performance out of the truck. It spooled up nicely, very quick. But I always felt it was almost annoying at sometimes when you're towing heavy or hauling heavy. I wanted more power. I wanted more performance out of her, more air. It suffered. And heat really never was an issue for me because it didn't have the performance there to really push it hot or push it over to that point where I would worry about, my hot temps. The power on these 6.7s, the whole set, stock turbo, the low end, it's fine. But it's lacking in the mid-range and the upper end. Overall, the stock turbo was disappointing, to say the least. Yeah, so we finally got the DPS 3rd gen swap kit installed into my 2017 Ram. And I did get the 6471 with the mechanical VGT. The biggest changes for the better, well, obviously you're gonna notice the sound. There's more of a jet whistle sound to it. But the responsiveness is quick to respond on boost, throttle, and power throughout the RPM band. You can feel it, even when you're towing. The other big benefit with this 3rd gen swap kit with the mechanical VGT is since installation, my MPG has improved by about 2.5 miles per gallon. So before we installed the 3rd gen swap kit, I did have my tuner come over and install EFI Live, and it was smoky. And as you might be able to get a shot here, it has cleaned that up dramatically. If I'm heavy into the throttle, I might just get a puff, but it cleans up instantly and the smokiness is gone. In my personal experience, if you're looking for an upgraded turbo for your 6.7, go with the DPS 3rd gen swap kit. It lines up with the stock locations, exhaust outlet, intercooler. Has less parts than a 2nd gen, but same performance level. Save you some bones. And if you add the Turbonator VGT to it, it's even better. If you have half a brain, give us a call now. I had to do it. Hi, I'm DB Jones.
I'm Roland Cole.
I'm Stormy Guy.
And I'm Mini DB. Click here to subscribe to the Diesel Power Source page to catch our hottest releases, best performance information, and the most compelling turbo analysis. And don't forget to like and subscribe, sucker.
Aw, cute.
That's it.